Welcome to this tutorial on how to effectively remove dust and scratches from your images using Adobe Camera Raw. This process is essential for perfecting your photographs and ensuring a clean, professional finish. Let's begin by opening our image in Photoshop. Once your image is ready, navigate to the Filter menu at the top. From the drop-down, select Camera Raw Filter. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-A on your keyboard to quickly access it. Inside the Camera Raw interface, you'll find a set of powerful tools on the right-hand side. For dust and scratch removal, we'll be using the Healing tool. It's represented by an icon that looks like a small band-aid. With the Healing tool selected, let's fine-tune its settings. Ensure that Heal mode is chosen for the best blending results. Next, adjust the size slider to match the approximate size of the imperfections you want to remove. For a soft edge that blends seamlessly, set the feather to a low value, typically around 15 to 20. Finally, keep the opacity at 100% to ensure complete removal of the dust or scratch. Now, let's zoom in on our image to get a clearer view of the dust spots. For small, isolated dust particles, simply click directly on them. Camera Raw is intelligent enough to automatically sample a clean area nearby to patch the imperfection. You'll see a red circle indicating the target area and a green circle showing the sampled source. For longer scratches or more significant blemishes, click and drag the Healing tool along the entire length of the mark. This allows the tool to cover the entire imperfection with a clean sample. Sometimes the automatic source selection might not be perfect. If you notice an area that doesn't blend well, you can manually refine the source. Simply click and drag the green source circle to a better matching area of your image, one that has similar texture and color. To review your progress, use the Before-After toggle button, which looks like a YY icon, located at the bottom right of the Camera Raw window. This allows you to compare your edited image with the original, ensuring all imperfections have been addressed to your satisfaction. Once you are happy with the results and your image is clean, click OK at the bottom right to apply all the edits and return to your main Photoshop workspace. And there you have it, a perfectly cleaned image, free from dust and scratches. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful.